Hello students, I welcome you all for today's session. In this session, I have small doubts or I have small questions. Why all scientific calculators have buttons labeled with log and ln? What log and ln represents and where can we use? To know each and every part about these two, you must watch this video. Let's get started. Now today's topic is logarithms. What are logarithms? Before we start, let's have some examples. All of you know 10 raised to the power 2 is equal to 100. Means 10 square is equal to 100. 10 cube is equal to 1000. 10 raised to the power 3 is equal to 1000. And what is the value of x when 10 power x is equal to 270? Means to what power of 10? To what power of 10 we have the value 270? In such cases, to find the value of x, we must use logarithms. Now, coming to the definition of logarithm. Logarithm of a positive number x with respect to the base b is denoted by log x base b. Is the exponential. This is the exponential by which b must be raised to get the value of x. And that is suppose y is equal to log x with base b is the logarithmic function. In this logarithmic function, what is the value we are going to find? In this we are going to find the x value. Here, this can be written as, here the base value b can be transformed into y base value, that is b power y is equal to x. This is the definition of the logarithmic function. All of you observe, if y is equal to log x with base b, then this logarithmic function can be calculated by transforming the exponential function. The exponential function can be written as, here the base value can be transformed into the left side value of the base value, means here the y value is there. So b power y is equal to here the value of x. That is the exponential form. To understand this concept, Let's have a look some examples. Example 1. Log 16 base 2. What is the value of log 16 base 2? What is the value of log 16 base 2? This logarithmic function must be written in exponential form. How we are going to write exponential form of the logarithmic function? Here the base value can be transformed into this side as a base of this question mark is equal to here the value 16. Right, like that. 2 power question mark is equal to 16. For what value of question mark means to what 2 can be raised. For what value 2 can be raised, we get the answer 16. Where you get 16? If 2 power 1 is equal to 2, it is not equal to 16. 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, it is not equal to 16. 2 raised to 3 to cube 8 is not equal to 16. Now 2 raised to the power 4 is clearly 16. That's why here the question mark value is 4. The value of logarithm of 16 with the base 2 is 4. So we conclude that logarithm of any positive value with any base can be transformed into exponential form. Then only we are going to solve each and every problem. Clear that? Very good. Coming to next one. What are these identities in logarithms? First identity is here, write for any base b. What is the nature of base b here? B base is not equal to 1 and which must be greater than 1 also. This is the nature of the base. So now you start with first identity. Log b with the base b. 2 are matching here is equal to 1. Second one. Logarithm of 1 with the base b is equal to 0 means logarithm of one value is 0 with any base. Third one. Logarithm of b power x with the base b. Here matching the values. 2 are here, the values are matches. Then we got the value of x. And fourth one is a power log x with the base a is also is equal to x. And some more identities are there. Fifth one is product rule. What is product rule here? Log of xy with any base b is equal to log x base b plus log y base b. Sixth one is quotient rule. log of x by y with any base b is equal to log x base b minus log x log y base b. And look at the power rule here. Log x power p with base b is equal to p into log x with base b. Next, eighth one is root law. Log pth root x with base b is equal to log b power x by p. And one more, another important formula is, identity is ninth formula, change base rule. What is change base rule? To find the value of log x with base b can be calculated from the logarithms of x and b with respect to any arbitrary base value. That means is equal to, this can be calculated from log x by log b with any arbitrary base k. This is called changing of base property. Very important. Now, types of logarithms. How many types of logarithms are there? Mainly, there are three types. One is common logarithm. Second one is natural logarithm. Third one is binary logarithm. What is common logarithm? The logarithms with base 10 is called common logarithms. What are natural logarithms? The logarithms with base e, here e is Euler number and also irrational numbers also, is called natural logarithm. What is binary? Logarithms with base 2 is called binary logarithms. So, now we have the answer about these symbols. What are the symbols? Log, ln. Ln can be ln can be used for natural logarithms. And log can be used for common logarithms or binary logarithms. No base value can be given or no base value is given in any problem. We treat these logarithms are known as natural logarithms. Those are denoted by ln. We conclude that log can be used for common or binary logarithms. Ln can be used for natural logarithms only, means it has the base e. These are the common logarithms for binary logarithms at the base, common logarithms with base 10 and binary logarithms with base 2. I hope you understand these symbols. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like, share to your friends. Please comment on this. Thank you. Thank you very much.